Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than all of my other videos. I will be doing kind of like a little wedding series because I am getting married this year. I got engaged last year and I'm planning my wedding, so that's super exciting. I wanted to share with you all my first wedding video. It's gonna be making my bridesmaids boxes, and I basically just wanted to get on here and show you what I'm putting inside of them and how I'm making them, and then where I bought all of these things. I am super excited and I hope you all enjoy this video and the rest of my videos because I will be doing a lot of like wedding preparation. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. But these I bought, these are from Hallmark, but I bought them through Amazon and these were $6.99 each. And the color, I thought they were gonna be white, but they ended up being like this pearl color, and it kind of looks like silverish in a way, but it's a pearl color. And it has this little bow, and then inside it comes with these like crinkly paper. And then as you can tell, the box is a little bit deep inside, so you can fit a lot of things. So on top of the box, I had a friend of mine, which I'm very thankful that she did this for us. She has this thing called a Cricut, right? A Cricut, and basically it prints out their names. This is just the sample one, but I'm basically gonna put this on the box and I'll show you like the final product at the very end and how it looks. But I'm gonna put that on the box. And then I went to Hobby Lobby and I bought these cute little flowers with like little butterflies, which I will be hot gluing them all around the box. So it's gonna look super cute, and I'll show you the final product at the end. Some of the things that I bought, and I'll tell you guys how much I paid for everything. So these were actually on sale. These were not $6.99, these were 50% off, so they were $3.99. And then again, the names, one of my really good friends made the names. I also bought them some cute little candles, and I bought them all the same candles just because I wanted like a pink shade, and this actually smells really good. And this is a candle I bought at Target and it was $4.99. Okay, also at Target, they have like this $3, $1, $5 section. So I found these cute little these champagne flutes, and these were $3. So two of these were $3, so I ended up buying a total of 4. I went to Marshall's, and if you guys have shopped at Marshall's, they have tons of things, and they have like sets of 4, sets of 6. So depending how many bridesmaids you girls are gonna be having, I recommend going to Marshall's or like even TJ Maxx, because they have like a bulk of a variety of things. So at Marshall's I bought these bath bombs. So these were $4.99, so I will be giving them cute little bath bombs. At Marshall's I also bought these cute little lip balms and a set of 4. Again, go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx because they have a lot of things. These were $4.99. They're super cute. So I bought these, and it's a set of 4, which is perfect. These were $7.99, so super inexpensive too, and they're super cute, so that they can get ready the day of their wedding or whenever they want to use them. I also, for the day of the wedding, I wanted them to like feel super nice and rejuvenated, and I got these rejuvenating gold dust under eye patches. They're so cute. And this these are 6 pairs, and then these were $2.99. So again, cheap. I also got these cute little scrunchies at Marshall's, and these are a set of 5, I believe. Yeah, so there's 5 scrunchies. These were $5.99, and then it's like this cute little silky material. So that was it for Marshall's. I went on a crazy shopping spree, but I didn't spend a lot of money there. So, and then a lot of them were like in sets, so it was perfect. Okay, now Amazon. So Amazon is the best place to shop as well. So on Amazon, I got these cute pens, and they have a diamond on top. Look at it. Super cute. And then it also comes with a replaceable ink. So a set of 4, of course. So these were $7.99, and I thought they were super cute. And I love the diamond because it's like wedding vibes, so I wanted to have that for them. And then what else did I buy on Amazon? Oh, I also bought these cute little Will You Be My Bridesmaid cards. I couldn't find like a cute set of 4, so I ended up going with like a set of 24, which I probably obviously won't use. But it comes with envelopes. I won't be using the envelopes, but the cards are like this. That. And then I have one for my maid of honor. And then it also has like a thank you for being my bridesmaid card. So then you can send these after, you know, the wedding, or after like the bachelorette, whenever you want to send them. And I thought it was super cute that they had this. So yeah, I will be using this. And then these $14.99 for a pack of 24. So on Amazon. And I hope they really like the last thing I bought for them, because I want them to wear this on the day of the wedding when we're all getting ready. So I'm super excited. I got them some robes, and I got these on Amazon. Let me show you. They're so cute. Okay, so this is for my maid of honor. I know it's a little bit hard to see because of the lighting, but it's this light pink shade, and it's these robes that I want them to wear the day of the wedding. So this is for my maid of honor, and these are for my bridesmaids, and I'm so excited. They're super cute. So each of them were $14.99, so I bought a total of 4. Okay, so that was it. So they were $14.99, so that was like, I think, the most expensive thing that I bought for them, but it was super cute, and I want them to wear that the day of the wedding so that they can get ready. And then lastly, I went on Pinterest, and they have so many cute ideas. I saw a lot of the bridesmaids boxes. They had like little cards where it said like who your bridesmaids were, what their role was, or how you want them to help you throughout this whole process, and as well for like your maid of honor. So I got some ideas from like Pinterest. So I just went on my computer and I typed like for my maid of honor. So I made a list and what I was thankful for, and then what her jobs were for throughout this whole process. So I did like a maid of honor one, and then I did bridesmaids one. I also did like their dresses, and then I gave them like just the date, and then the rehearsal, and then the actual day of the wedding. So, and then where it was gonna be. Yeah, that was basically it. So I'm gonna work on these boxes, and then I'll show you all the final cute little box that I'm gonna set up for them. So be right back. I finally finished this. It took us about an hour or more to like put everything together and create these cute little boxes. Let me show you guys. Super cute. Let me see if you guys can. It's not perfect. Okay, so it's like glittery, and then these cute little boxes. They're so cute. Okay, and then there's a cute little bow at the front. So this is what I'm gonna give them, and they're gonna open it up just like that. And this is like the first thing they're gonna see. So these are the cards that I showed earlier, and then it says, will you be my bridesmaid? And then inside it's all the goodies. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I have like the little beauty blender, the bath bomb, the champagne flute with the little cards that I told you I did for them, And what I did is I rolled it up and just tied it with string. Then I just put it right in there. Have my candle, the lip balm, the little scrunchie, the cute little pen right here at the top, and then the eye masks. So this is, I know, I'm like scared. This is how it looks, super cute. And my girls are gonna get this and I really hope they love it. I hope you all enjoyed this quick little video of how I made these bridesmaid boxes. Make sure you guys are all subscribed to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit that like button and comment down below if you enjoyed this video, if you are making your own little bridesmaid boxes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on my next video. Bye!